Item 788. Concrete beam repair. 1. Description. Repair damaged beams. Beam damage may include delamination, surface spalling, section loss, and cracking. 2. Work methods. Provide materials and perform work as required in the concrete repair manual, as shown on the plans, and in accordance with the pertinent items as follows. Item 429, Concrete structure repair, for repairing unsound, delaminated, or spalled concrete. Item 780, Concrete crack repair, for sealing concrete cracks with pressure-injected, gravity-fed, or surface-applied epoxy. Item 786, Carbon fiber reinforced polymer, CFRP, for confining or strengthening concrete using a CFRP system. Provide strand and hardware meeting the requirements of Item 424, Precast concrete structural members, fabrication, if strand splicing and retensioning is required. Follow work methods as outlined on the plans. Preload the damaged beam before repair work if shown on the plans. Preload with a loaded 10 cu yard dump truck or other approved method. Keep the preload in place until repair concrete has attained a minimum compressive strength of 3000 psi. Remove damaged bridge protective assembly as directed. Replace assembly if required in accordance with Item 441, Steel structures. The engineer will test the quality of the work with hammer blows and any other means necessary to ensure satisfactory performance. Rework or replace defective or debonded work at the contractor's expense. Apply supplemental CFRP strengthening as indicated on the plans. 3. Measurement. This item will be measured by each beam repaired. 4. Payment. The work performed and materials furnished in accordance with this item and measured as provided under measurement will be paid for at the unit bid price for concrete beam repair plus strand splicing, concrete beam repair plus CFRP, and concrete beam repair plus strand splicing and CFRP. This price is full compensation for repair, supplemental exterior confinement or strengthening, and furnishing equipment, labor, materials, tools, and incidentals.